Hi children, good morning. How are you? Hope you are fine. I am Kamala Kumari, your science teacher. We are giving you online classes regularly. Our seventh lesson, importance of water, part 1 already we completed. This is part 2. So what we had completed part 1, the water is an important natural resource and it is essential for all living beings. And importance of water for animals and importance of water for plants we discussed in first video, isn't it? So what are amphibious animals, what are aquatic animals, what are aquatic plants? In this let us discuss about the groundwater and water availability in nature and ways of drawing out groundwater and water supply. So, water availability in nature. First of all, let us discuss this. 3/4 of the surface of Earth is covered with water, and only 3% of it is used by humans in their daily life. So, in our life, we'll use only 3% of water. Daily life we are using. Groundwater. So what is groundwater? All of you know the water present in the ground is called groundwater. About 97% of water, it is present in seas and oceans. The remaining 3% of water, it is present on rivers, ponds, lakes, streams and glaciers. So here, what are glaciers? Nothing but ice form, in the form of ice. So look at the picture, how the groundwater is present. Very small part of water from the earth's surface, it will seeps into the ground and gets trapped between the underground rocks. This is called groundwater. So how the water will come? All of you know the rainfall. When there is a rainfall, that water, from that rainfall water, very small part, it will go inside the earth and it will go underground and it will settle as groundwater. That is called underground water. You can see the picture also, children. So here, earlier people, they used to go far to fetch water to the river or lakes or wells. And there is no proper water supply system. But nowadays, there are different ways of drawing out groundwater. So many ways are there. Let us discuss few. The first one is step well. The picture you can see, children, this picture, it shows that the well is having many steps, number of steps are there. So the people, they go down these steps and fetch water. Again, they climb up and come outside. So the step well is nothing but having steps on all sides to enable people to go down and to fetch water. In this way, they can fetch water. This is step well. Usually you can see near temples and villages like this. Is it clear, children? Next, groundwater, it can also be drawn out by using water wheel or rehad. What is rehad? This picture shows what is rehad. See, the water, it is falling here and that water, it will fall down like this. And here, small canal they will make it, and this water they will use for irrigation. That is, farmers in the field they use this water, rehat or water wheel. So next one is another widely used method to draw out groundwater from a well is to use a pulley. This is called pulley. Small wheel it is, iron wheel. So when you keep the bucket and with the help of this rope, when you do this, it will be easy when pulley is there. Without pulley, it will be difficult to fetch water. Is it clear, children? You can see this picture. Person is using pulley and drawing out water, well water. Tube wells. This system nowadays we are using, children. So long pipes, they will insert deep into the ground, water level. And from that, the water is drawn up by using hand pump. The first picture shows hand pump. Bore, you will tell, bore pump. And the second picture is nothing but electric pump. When they will on this switch, the water will flow through this pump. So these are the two pictures which will be clear for you. Next, water supply. So here, nowadays, there are well-planned water supply systems. Supplies water to homes, offices, hospitals, schools in the cities. So our Vizag also it is city, and you know how the pipeline will be given. The water, it will be purified by a series of processes and is sent to homes and offices through a network of pumps and pipes. So network of pumps and pipes will be inserted underground, and this purified water from where we'll get from reservoir. We'll have reservoir. From there, this water will be supplied to different areas. In this way, the water supply system continues. Is it clear, children? So the picture shows how the pipeline is given connection to this colony distribution. Water supply and distribution system. Is it clear? Okay. So in our house also, these pipes and pumps are given. We'll get drinking water from the reservoir, where it will be stored there in the reservoirs. With this, we had completed our 7th lesson, children. That's all for today. Thank you, children. And you had to go through the videos again and again and learn the new words and their spellings also. The amphibious animals, aquatic animals, new words. Aquatic plants, groundwater, step well. These are the new words, tube wells, rehat, water wheel. These are the keywords. You have to learn their spellings and you write also the spellings three times in your rough notes. Thank you, children.